So anyway, guys, this is Samana Peace and Vasile. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to like a comment. Happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. Oh, I love you guys. I'm worried about Mangwabe, guys. Mangwabe needs to prepare good season. For those who don't know what is going on, Utana is Tembo and Kate from Friday 5 December 8 o'clock on a Mozanse Magic. So if family Seleko Yasem Sumbe, they are coming back this coming Friday, guys. Mzansi Magic, they already posted a trailer and we can see Umawande and Mangwabe, they are talking about divorce. It seems like Umangwabe just finally divorced Umseleko, guys. Umawande uyakhala ubuza Umangwabe to say, why are you divorcing there just because of number 5? And people are saying, we are ready for Mangwabe. We want Mangwabe to do the right thing and leave Musamsela, because she's been saying that Yena Uyahamba from season 1. We are now on season 8. Next year they are coming back for season 9. We need a new content from Mangwabe. So guys, the people are ready to defend their faith. Some people are saying, there's a lot has changed. She seems so calm, I don't know what is going on. Usamke, yo guys, the confidence, yeah, Samke. If you have seen it really, you can see Usamke, guys, she is the girl that she thinks she is. So it is what it is. Tell me in the conversation, what do you think about this? Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. I love you.